Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a vase using the couple more colors from Mixed Media Girl, and I'll put them in the description, but they're pearl pink, mixed metallic berry, and Payne's gray. And I put them in a split cup. I filled each reservoir with an individual color, and then I took the other two colors and put just like a little strip on top so that you get all of it at the same time, because sometimes when you're pouring, if you add more in the middle, you get a lot of that before the other two start to mix in. So I was hoping to try to avoid a little of that this time. This vase is 6 inches wide across the bottom, so, and it's very flat. So I'm only going to do around the edge, and then I've taped the neck of it to keep it clear. And because I think that it kind of goes in, so I think that as the paint runs down, it's going to muddy as it gets here. So I just taped it, and I'll leave it clear. And I'm just going to go around the edge here, because I don't think you're going to have to add a whole lot of paint here in order to get it to spread out enough to start going down the sides. So let me pull my gloves up. And here we go. Alright, here is the close-up. We'll do the top first. That's pretty cool looking. And then we'll come down the side. Now, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but like right there, you can sort of see through the purple. I tried to cover it, but it didn't seem to. It was like the more I covered it, the more I was losing a lot of the pattern that I liked. But I think it's okay. I think it'll look, I mean, it's at the bottom of the vase, and plus it'll look pretty when it's dry if it stays that way. So, and I don't know if that purple is, because it's the first time I've used that color, I don't know if that is a little bit translucent. I'll try it on other stuff and see what I get, but if anybody's ever used it, and I believe it's the mixed berry, the metallic mixed berry from Mixed Media Girl. If you've ever used it and it is translucent, let me know in the comments. See what I mean? Like it's a little thin right in there. And I've poured over it a few times and it just keeps doing that, so I'm just going to leave it. There we go. That is the close-up. If you like this video, click the button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Now, YouTube keeps turning off my comments, so I'm going to try to remember to go back and turn them on after I've uploaded. I don't know why, because I'm not a child and I'm not 13, haven't been for quite some time. Um, yeah, so, and there's no content in this that involves children, so I don't know why they keep doing it. But yeah, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I will see you next time.